So here cos square b plus sin square b, cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. So similarly cos square b plus sin square b is what? 1. Sin square a plus cos square a is what? 1. R square into 1 is R square, that is your RHS. Assuming or converting sine to tan. Why? Because they give tan value, that is a hint. Cos square b plus sin square b is what? 1. Identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Similarly cos square b plus sin square b is 1. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of angles and trigonometric ratios, that is exercise 13.2 and 5 mark questions. So very first question, that is 25th in your textbook. Prove that cos cube a plus sin cube a by cos a plus sin a plus cos cube a minus sin cube a by cos a minus sin a is 2. So take LHS and arrive at RHS. Before that, first you should be thorough with the identity. What is a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So first you should know the identity a cube plus b cube. What is a cube plus b cube? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Similarly, you should also know a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So now we'll take LHS, we'll arrive at what? RHS. So consider LHS. LHS is cos cube A plus sin cube A by cos A plus sin A plus cos cube A minus sin cube A divided by cos A minus sin A. Now numerator is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b, that is cos a plus sin a into a cube plus b cube is what? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So a plus b into a square. A square means cos square a minus ab means cos a into sin a plus b square. B square means what? Sin square a divided by denominator. What is the denominator we have? Cos a plus sin a. Similarly, we have one more term plus we have, if you observe the numerator, it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. Cos cube a minus sin cube a. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So cos cube a minus sin cube a can be written as cos a minus sin a into cos square a plus cos a sin a plus sin square a, whole thing divided by denominator. What is denominator? Cos a minus sin a. So now if you observe, we have common terms which you can cancel. Here cos a plus sin a by cos a plus sin a cancels. Here we have cos a minus sin a by cos a minus sin a cancels. So write the remaining terms. Write the left out terms, that is equal to cos square a. I'll group it. First I'll write cos square a, then I'll write sin square a. So I'll write it as cos square a plus sin square a. Then the other term is what? Minus cos a sin a. Minus cos a sin a. This is the term that is left out, and in between we have plus, so write plus, and remaining terms cos square a plus cos a sin a plus sin square a, group it. So first I'll write cos square a, then I'll write sin square a plus sin a cos a, or cos a plus cos a sin a, or sin a cos a. Now again if you observe, minus cos a sin a plus cos a sin a cancels. This minus cos a sin a and plus cos a sin a cancels. So whatever the terms left out, we have to rewrite. So this is cos square a plus sin square a. Cos square a plus sin square is 1. Again here we have cos square a plus sin square a. Cos square a plus sin square a plus 1. Cos square a plus sin square is 1 plus again cos square a plus sin square is 1 What is 1 plus 1? 2. This is your RHS. This is what they want you to prove. So we got it. I hope all of you understood. Now we'll go to the next question. That is, if x is r cos A cos B, y is r cos A sin B, z is r sin A, then prove that x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. So take LHS, substitute the value of x, y, z and simplify. So we'll take LHS. What is LHS? X square plus y square plus z square. Now what is x given? X they gave r cos A cos B. So it will become r cos A cos B whole square. X square means x is r cos A cos B whole square plus y square. What is y? R cos A sin B. R cos A sin B whole square plus z square. Z is r sin A. R sin A the whole square. Now take the square inside. So it will become r square cos square. So cos square A cos square B plus r square cos square A sin square B, then plus r square sin square A, sin square A. Now if you observe, all the terms are having r square. So take r square common from all the terms. So r square if I take common, so I'll be left out with cos square A cos square B plus cos square A cos square B, sorry, cos square A sin square B plus r square is out, so we are left out with sin square A. Now from the first two terms, if you observe, here we have cos square A, here we have cos square A. From these two terms, take cos square A common. If you take cos square A common, you are left out with cos square B plus sin square B, then plus the last term. What is the last term? Sin square A. Now further simplification, r square into cos square A, let it be cos square B plus sin square B. Cos square B plus sin square B is 1 plus sin square A. So here cos square B plus sin square B, you know cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. So similarly cos square B plus sin square B is what? 1. Now again this is r square into cos square A into 1 is cos square A plus sin square A. You know cos square A plus sin square A is what? 1 again. Identity. R square into 1 is what? R square. This is your RHS. Hence the proof. So repeatedly if you group, you will get cos square theta plus sin square theta. All of you know cos square A plus sin square A or cos square B plus sin square B or cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. Identity. Simplify, you will get it. Next. Same, if x is equal to A or sin A cos B, y is equal to B or sin A sin B, and z is equal to C or cos A, they wanted to prove x square by A square plus y square by B square plus z square by C square equal to R square. Again take LHS, substitute the value of x, y, z and arrive at RHS. So consider LHS. What is LHS? X square by A square plus y square by B square plus z square by C square. Substitute the value of x, y, z. What is x they give? AR sin A cos B. So AR sin A cos B whole square by A square plus y value. What is y value? BR sin A. So BR sin A sin B the whole square by B square plus z square. Z is just CR cos A the whole square, z square by C square. Now dear students, you take square inside and take r square common. So if you take square inside, it will become A square R square sin square A cos square B sin square A cos square B divided by A square. This is the first term here. Then we have BR sin A sin B. So it will become B square R square sin square A sin square B divided by B square plus the last term. So take square inside. So it will become c square r square cos square a divided by c square. So now if you observe carefully, in every term we have r square common, take it out. So in all the terms, here a square cancels, here b square cancels, here c square cancels. In all the terms, take r square common. If you take r square common, you are left out with sin square a cos square b plus sin square a sin square b plus cos square a. Now further r square. So here we have sin square a, here we have sin square a. In the first two terms, take sin square a common. So if you take sin square a common, you are left out with cos square b plus sin square b plus we have the last term, that is cos square a. Now further simplification, r square sin square as it is sin square a into what is cos square b plus sin square b. Cos square b plus sin square b is what? 1, identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Similarly, cos square b plus sin square b is 1 plus cos square a. Again further, r square into sin square a into 1 is sin square a plus cos square a into 1 is cos square a. Again now it is in the form of sin square a plus cos square a, that is r square into 1 is r square. This is your RHS. Again you have sin square a plus cos square a. Sin square a plus cos square a is what? 1. R square into 1 is r square. That is your RHS. Further, now we'll go to the next problem, that is 28th. If tan a is p by q, prove that p sin a minus q cos a by p sin a plus q cos a is equal to p square minus q square by p square plus q square. So interesting, they gave tan a, but here if you see we have sin and cos. How to convert sin to tan? So sin by cos is what? Tan. So what we'll do, we'll take LHS. Good problem. LHS is p sin a minus q cos a by p sin a plus q cos a. So dear students, they gave tan value, but here I have sin. So if I want to make this sin as tan, divide by what? Cos. So now interesting, divide numerator and denominator by cos a, so that sin converts to what? Tan. So that is equal to p sin a divided by cos a minus q cos a by cos a. Denominator we have p sin a, so p sin a by cos a plus we have q cos a by cos a. I am dividing numerator and denominator by cos. So you know that suppose if you have a by b, you can divide. I can divide a by cos a by b by cos a. Do you agree or not? So when I divide by same term, it will cancel, it will be a by b. Like that I am choosing to divide numerator and denominator by cos. Why? Because sin becomes what? Sin by cos is what? Tan. Sin a by cos is tan a minus q. Cos a cancels. Q into 1, that is q, and p into sin a by cos a is again tan a plus cos a cancels. You are left out with q. So p tan a minus q divided by p tan a plus q we got. But if you observe RHS, it is in terms of p and q. They gave a hint. What is p? But tan a is what? P by q. In the place of tan a, substitute p by q. Then it will become p into tan a is what? P by q minus q by p into tan a. Tan a is what? P by q. I am substituting the tan a value. Here we have tan a. Tan a is equal to, they gave tan a value is p by q. I am substituting it. So now here simplify this. If you simplify, numerator will be p square by q minus q. Denominator is also p square plus q. Sorry, p square by q plus q. Take LCM for numerator. P square minus q into q square by, we have q. Denominator also take LCM. It will become p square plus q into q is q square by q. Q cancels. We are left out with p square minus q square by p square plus q square. So if you refer, RHS is same, p square minus q square by p square plus q square. So this is your RHS, hence the proof. Got the RHS, that is the proof. I hope all of you got this. P square minus q square by p square plus q square. So now this is an important question where assuming or converting sine to tan. Why? Because they give tan value, that is a hint. Divide numerator and denominator by what? Cos. The problem reduces to tan so that you can substitute. So I hope all of you understood. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.